oh, chick, chick, oh, chick, chick. This song, I could not do a show without including this song. I certainly wouldn't do a show here without including it. It's very special to me. Bojangles and he danced for you in worn out shoes, silver hair, ragged shirt, baggy pants. He would do the old soft shoe. He could jump so high, jump so high. And then he lightly touched down. I met him in a cell in New Orleans. I was down and out. He looked to me to be the very eyes of age. As he spoke right out, talked of life, talked of life, laughed, slapped his leg a step. He said his name was Bojangles, then he danced a lick. Right across the cell, grab his pants, take a better stance, jump up high. That's when he clicked his heels. Then he'd let go that laugh. Lord, 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 he'd let go a laugh. Shake back his clothes all around. That was Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles, the man could dance. Told me other times he worked with minstrel shows, traveling throughout the South. Spoke with tears of 15 years how his dog and he, they would travel about. But his dog up and died. The dog, just not old, and died. After 20 years, he still breathed. He said, I dance now at every chance in honky-tonks.
For my tricks and tips, but most of the time I spend behind these county bars. You see, son, I drinks a bit.
Then he shook his head. Oh, God, when he shook his head, I could swear I heard someone say, please. That's Mr. Bojangles. Call him Mr. Bojangles. Mr. Bojangles, come back and dance, 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 dance. Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles, Mr. Bojangles.
Bojangles. We need to see you dance again. Mr. Bo, Mr. Bo, Mr. Bojangles.
Thank you. Thank you very, very much, ladies and gentlemen. You have been a beautiful, wonderful audience. Thank you.